This is Aaron Weiler from Horses, Hogs, and Dirt Bikes, and today we're rebuilding a dangerous Suzuki RM250. All right, let's get to it. Aaron Weiler here, and today we're installing the radiator, the tank, and the plastic. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. If you hit that notification bell, then you'll know next time I upload a video. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so we're installing the radiators. They're a little finicky, but they went on okay. That lower hose was kind of a pain. It might have gone on easier if I put the exhaust on after. The plastics went on pretty good. The rear plastic just fits right in there. Tank, of course, goes on pretty simple, just 2 bolts. And then that front plastic hooks to the radiator and the tank. Front fender was kind of a pain. Working upside down like that, but it worked out all right. And then I got brand new plastic for the front fork to cover up that brake line. Then shock shroud. When I first got it, it didn't have the bracket to hold the brake line, so I got a new one of those. That helps out a lot. That's about it. Awesome. It's almost complete. Man, I can't wait to start it up. I'm getting really excited. Thanks again for watching. Keep the rubber side down.